Oh, we're in our last week here, almost one. Tuesday, going on Wednesday. Got to be out of here by Sunday by the latest. So looks like we got a good rainstorm blowing through right now. Monsoon season around here. So we cleared off a couple more shelf units here. Knocked down a couple over there. Obviously a bunch out of here. Had some help today. Helps a little bit. Knocked down some more stuff. Working away. Raining pretty good right now. Been working all day on loading my trailer here so I can make a midnight run. Work all night to unload it, and 50% chance of rain tomorrow afternoon, 12 o'clock. So I figure I'd get done by then. Well, it looks like the weather's changed. It's now pouring outside and it comes from there first. So if I was done a little bit earlier, I would have had to drive through the rain. So I got a lot of stuff here. Everything's slightly overloaded. The chains are tied up and not quite hitting the ground, but close to it. Where'd my light go? There we go. So yeah, pretty loaded. So these are all the shelves we knocked down. Bringing my tarp just in case. Throw the trailer after I get there. But yeah, we knocked down a bunch of stuff that was all stacked up over here. Knocked down 4 of these down there. Cleared them all out. Emptied off a few of these shelves here. This big mountain of crap here with all customer stuff is now in the trailer. Lots of motors and all kinds of stuff, including my stuff. Got a couple of my race motors are in here and a few other things. So, only thing left now is looks like 5 sets of sports cases. Oh well. Still waiting for a customer to come get his frame. And his motor, kind of lazy. So anyway, I can knock these down pretty quickly now. I got most of the heavy stuff off. So probably a couple more days before I get some take these up now. Like there's supposed to 50% chance of rain tomorrow, so that's not happening. I think it's 40% or 30% next day after that. And one of those days I'm heading up. So our mountain of box is getting cut back as we box stuff. So I got to get out of here, but I'm not super rushing. I just one box at a time, load it up. So we're getting a pretty good load on that trailer. Haven't touched the fab area too much lately. Well, we got our raining right over here, so nothing important is getting wet. My drill press has got to go to storage. No room for it at work. Toolboxes, probably storage. I'll get rid of the red one. So, air compressor, I like to have it at home, but home shop. Probably won't. 3-phase power, so can't do much about that. Neighbors. So, anyway, tomorrow we'll make another stab at it over here. If I don't get my trailer emptied out, I can't refill it, so it makes it kind of hard to move stuff out of here. Pretty much need to go take that up tomorrow or something. Maybe I'll throw a tarp over it and go for it. If I get some help, I might do that. So anyway, this is where we're at. Getting stuff done. It's raining out here. The tarp does a good job of keeping stuff dry on the top, but the ground gets wet. So this is more customer stuff. Most of this has been knocked out of here, but we still got a few things left, as you can tell. We got my junk down there. I didn't get to that yet. More of my junk. Oh, and more motors. What a shocker. So, machine shop's getting there. Right off there. Let's see, how's the, okay, that didn't do anything. Try to charge that battery all day. This one's down to 2 amps. That's the big one here. So I think the next thing we'll do, we'll try charging this one. Oop. No, don't do that. I just want to take a charge. Thinking this big battery might be El Junko. We'll leave it on overnight, see what happens. This one here, definitely Junko. I'll get that on high boost rate all day. Got heat. My electric bill should be high. About the same noise it made 10 hours ago. Let's see what we got. Pillars here. This one here, that one. Oh. Two battery chargers on it. I'm sure that's the official way of doing things. Oh well. I just have to see what happens, I guess. Alright, well anyway. Unplug that one. The bolt's tight, the washer's tight. Pretty bad when the needle doesn't even move. Oh, it moved. Alright, we'll leave it on all night, see what happens. There's a big rotary table under there, I gotta get up in the air, so. I know the battery for my winch. My winch battery for my trailer. So I know I can hook that up there because I know it works. Alright, well this stuff's got to be packed up yet too, but so tried honing some rods earlier. Something broke inside the hone, so it doesn't put any cutting pressure out. So it's pretty much out of commission. So I got to pack up some stuff and haul it home tonight and try to hone those rods out at home for the customer. Once it gets done raining, I will haul some stuff out of here. So, working late tonight again. Anyway, that's how it's going here. Getting there, slowly but surely.